Hello everyone, my name is Ömer, and in this video we shall discover some of the basic functions and principles of computer control. This video is aimed towards people who are just starting to use computer control. If you are a veteran of computer control, this may be not the video for you. This video is going to be about the interaction menu of computer control, you can say the most essential part of this program. But, first things first. What is computer control? Well, actually the program is very properly named. It enables users to control their computer. Computer control is a software for controlling a Windows PC with one's eyes. It is developed, and still receiving updates regularly, by the team from Tobii Dynavox. As for now, the day that this video was uploaded, it is included with the new iSeries and the PCI 5. That's great, I hear you say, but what can I do with it? Let me tell you, using computer control, you can browse the web, go on social media, write documents, play games and much more. I want to especially mention the radial design of the UI. I personally do like this aspect very much because it reduces stress for worrying that you're going to hit the wrong button, and on top of that it reduces the distance your eyes need to travel. That can be a silly thing to take account of, because your eyes move blazingly fast, but if you work the whole day with an eye tracker, the eye travel time definitely adds up quickly.